Model, 2017 Peugeot Expert Professional Standard Blue 2.0 HDI engine knocking repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 111300. MOT, the 25th of October 2025. Engine, 1997 CCDW10FE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Engine need repairing or replacing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, start-stop, air con, 2 keys, electric window.